Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to write research papers with ChatGPT. So here's are some steps that you can follow to write a research papers with mm, ChatGPT. First, choose a topic. You need to select a topic that interests you and is relevant to your field of study. You can brainstorm some ideas or do some preliminary research to help you narrow down your option. Example, if your research paper is all about flying on the Mars, you can just type in how to go to Mars. Planet Mars. Then you can see that ChatGPT will provide some information about going to the planet Mars. So you can see here that getting to Mars is a complex and challenging endeavor that requires significant technology expertise and resources. So you can see the basic steps involved to go to a Mars. Then you can search about launching a spacecraft. So in here you can just type what do you want to know about going to Mars. Example, how to launch a spacecraft. Then ChatGPT will provide some information about this. So first, you need to choose a topic. Second, conduct a research. Once you have a topic, you need to conduct thorough research to gather relevant information and data. You can use academic journals, books, websites, and other reliable sources to gather information, and ChatGPT will provide you that kind of information. Example, what books can I study to go to Mars? And ChatGPT will provide you the books that you need. Example, The Case for Mars by Robert Zublin. Mars, The Next Step by Thomas D. Jones, and other books related to the flying or going to Mars. So third is create an outline. After gathering your research materials, you can create an outline that outline the structure of your papers. Well, ChatGPT will be able to do this also. Example, can you write an outline and you can see that ChatGPT will make you a outline about Mars exploration. And last, write the first draft. Using the outline, you can start writing the first draft of your papers. Just make sure to use proper formatting and citation styles. So, that's how to write research papers with ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.